Guys, have you noticed this amazing trending POV hook animation at the beginning of my videos? And you've probably seen it in many popular edits like these. Now open After Effects and import your edit. Create a new solid layer above your composition and choose white as the color. Then adjust its position just like I'm doing on the screen. Once you're happy with the size, trim the remaining part of the solid layer. Now create a new text layer and type any text you want depending on your edit. Then align the text to the center of the white bar like this. Our POV white bar is now ready. Let's animate it. First, pre-compose both the white bar and the text layer. Then add position keyframes to create a smooth slide-in and slide-out animation. Just follow the keyframes I'm making on the screen. Once you're done, select all the keyframes and press Easy Ease. Then open the graph editor and adjust the graph like this to make the animation much smoother. Now go to Effects, search for Drop Shadow, and apply it to the pre-comp. Follow the same settings shown on the screen. And that's it! Our smooth POV white bar animation is ready. You can even save it as a preset, so next time you only need to change the text for your edits. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more high-quality After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.